right, the first video here is for problems 1, 2, and 3 on your practice for the extension. So you're just going to identify the transformations that have occurred to the parent function. All right, so the first thing I have is a 3/4 inside the parenthesis. Remember, you always work left to right. So here, that 3/4 is the first thing I see. When I have a number smaller than 1 inside the parentheses, down here on the bottom, this is going to be a horizontal compression, or I'm sorry, a horizontal stretch. You're stretching by the reciprocal of the number inside the parentheses. So what you have here is a horizontal stretch, I'll abbreviate, by the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3. Then there's only one other thing happening here. There's a +3 on the end. When it's outside the parentheses, that means you went up 3. All right, next problem. I'm going to start with a minus inside the parentheses, which means that your graph reflected over the y-axis. Now this time, when I have a 5 inside the parentheses, that 5 is a number greater than 1. So it's this example here. This is a horizontal compression by the reciprocal of that value. So I have a horizontal compression by the reciprocal of 5, which is 1/5. And then lastly, I have a -8 on the end, which means my graph went down 8. All right, last one here. I'll start with, on the left here, with the 7/5. Now, since the 7/5 is greater than 1, this is a horizontal compression. So I have a horizontal compression by the reciprocal of 7/5, which is 5/7. Now, inside the parentheses, I also have a -2. That -2 is going to move your graph to the right. And finally, the -3 on the end means your graph goes down 3. Hopefully you got those. If not, ask your teacher for some help.